Welcome to Mzansi News, Mzansi Today. This is a podcast that will be looking into South Africa as a country that is evolving. South Africa at the moment is inundated with a lot of challenges and difficulties, with a lot of problems. However, South Africa, it's like going through a birth pains of a new country to come. And this new country to come, it's yes, South Africa, but then South Africa has got a lot of challenges from apartheid to the new 30 years of corruption and abuse and misuse of governance and power. Now, as we go forward, we really have to have a prospering nation, a prospering country. This prosperous nation will emerge despite whatever is happening. It will emerge, and it emerges as South Africa, but now we can say it's Mzansi. So the Mzansi News, the Mzansi podcast will be bringing forth all the positive aspects of Mzansi, the country that is to be born once again, to be reborn once again. Because if you're not busy being born, you're busy dying. South Africa will be reborn despite all the difficulties. The naysayers and the doomsday prophets saying South Africa is going to the doom. South Africa is becoming a broken country, becoming banana republic. No, we are here as South Africans. We are here, and ours is to ensure to it that actually we're pushing back. We're pushing back all the difficulties, all the challenges that we have faced. And even in terms of discussion and talks with our neighboring brothers and sisters who are here, whom we welcome warmly and beautifully, but now the becoming part of the problem, because now wherever we are, others are pushing drugs, others are claiming territories, like for instance in Bellville, the Somalians, they're taking the whole city of Bellville, and many other parts of this country, in this nation of South Africa. We've got different nations and different tribes. So South Africa, Mzansi, which is Mzansi Today, Mzansi News, we'll be looking at the pushback that is being done by all the people that are involved in wanting to see a good country. We have here many podcasters, we have got many YouTubers who are really projecting on the good part. Yes, a lot of frictions, but it's a natural process. Friction, difficulties, it's a natural process. It's like a child going to school. You go to study throughout the night, and then tomorrow you're going to write your exams. So it's not just easy come, easy go. So we'll be bringing forth all types of